Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Audi A3 window trim easily. First, let's prepare. You will need a set of plastic trim removal tools to prevent scratches and a Torx screwdriver set, specifically a T20 or T25 bit. Make sure your work area is clean and well lit. It is crucial to lower all your car windows completely before you begin, as this provides better access and prevents damage. Now, let's begin by locating the fasteners. Many Audi A3 trims are held by Torx screws, typically T20 or T25, often found under small covers or at the ends of the trim. Once screws are removed, use a plastic pry tool to carefully create a small gap at one end of the trim. This allows you to see and access the internal clips or push tabs that secure the trim along its length. With the fasteners loose, it's time for gentle detachment. Insert your plastic trim tool into the gap you created and apply steady, even pressure to release the clips. Work slowly along the trim piece, prying it away from the door frame. Remember, these clips can be delicate, so avoid sudden or excessive force. The goal is to release each clip individually to prevent bending or damaging the trim, which can be costly to replace. For the final removal, some trim pieces may have a larger tab that unhooks by pulling the trim towards the rear of the car. Once free, carefully remove the entire piece and store it on a flat, protected surface to avoid any bending or scratches. When you are ready to reinstall, simply reverse these steps. Ensure all clips and tabs align perfectly before gently pushing the trim back into place for a secure fit. This easy method helps maintain your Audi's pristine condition.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.